Assalamu alaikum and hello dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Digi Learner Points. The last video is targeted to give you some introductions about the use of Keepa Chrome extension. In this video, I have discussed some features and tasks performed by the Keepa extension. For example, it helps you to make some competitive and analysis regarding buy box. Then I have discussed some features like product history with diagram, product tracking, data and variation. Now in this video I am going to demonstrate practically all the features that I have discussed in the last video will be explained. So let's move to the Google Chrome. Here I have opened Amazon.com. As you know, Amazon.com is related to United States. So after that I have select here New York City with zip code 10002. After that I have written pillows here and lot of pillows are available on this page that is displaying in front of you, out of which I have selected one and open in the new window. See, now come to the price history. See, now we have two graphs here one is with light blue and other is dark purple. Here look at this, new is with light blue and warehouse deal is with dark purple and lightning deals is with red. It has shown here but not clearly available or visible in the graph. So let's go to the second, track product. So here again you see that as it is here mentioned that, see here .com means United States or America with its flag. It means that we are now in America and within the state of New York. So here is sometime here price is reflected, which shows that it is available on Amazon by fulfilled method, or if it is new, so new price by third party, maybe it is wholesaler or Amazon itself as in the capacity of wholesaler, and here shipping is not included. Here shipping is included because it is sold and sold by FBA, not by merchant. And if the product is used, not new, used, dealing with the warehouse, again third party is involved and Amazon warehouse shipping is not included. And you can track this record by putting some values, prices. In terms of prices, you can track these values for 1 year, or you can select it from here 10 years, 3 years, 2 years, 2 weeks, 1 month, and different options are available in front of you, and you can pick up any one of your choice and start tracking. So in the next tab we have data. In the introductory section I have told you that to review data features you need to be signed in here and come to the variation. Again variation is available here. Only to review analyze data tab you have to be sign in their website. So first we discuss variation, later we will discuss data after signing in the website. See here, image is there, title is there, new status also is given. This is a new product and this price is $31.99 and variation attributes, color white, size standard, pack of 1, color white. And again come to here size is standard but here size is queen. What variation is available here regarding size? color is same. Now come to again variation is available here regarding pack. In above two variations, color is same, size is different and pack of one is same. So you can analyze in detail through this variation graph or visual. So now we are going to make a account in Keepa website and then we will discuss data. For creating account for first time you need to go here register, and after that click on this register, and he asking for username and password if you are already member of this website, otherwise you can click on this register. So you can choose any username. I will choose this one. Then password, and email, and register. So message dialog box is open. One time anti bot check. It means that you are not a robot. So click on I am not a robot. My internet speed is very slow in these days due to the rain. Sorry for that. So my account is created on Keepa website. So what happened? He asking me we will not send you any emails, price alert, etc. before you have verified your email address. So I am going to be open my email address, then verify this email. In order to verify the email address, I have opened my email ID account, and you see here is a mail from Keepa. Here I will now click on it to open, and I will click on this link to verify my account there. Your email address is successfully verified. You can now use all our services. Only one feature is not available due to this uh, due to this reason. So now come back to the our Amazon. So we will check this data again. See here, we started sketching data. Now all details in under tab data is available in front of you. This is especially for product details, offers. If you click on this offer, you will get information regarding offers. See, and it also gives you the detail about buy box statistics. So here again there is a problem. You need to be subscribed, means you need to be made payment to get access data buy box statistics. So I already told you about the variation. So this video is ended here. I hope you will find this video useful.